Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I don't know about anybody else at the minute, but I have been ordering non-stop off Amazon, and one thing I thought I would never be able to get off Amazon is hair extensions, but today I have been proven wrong. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Maxfull hair extensions. So they just came in the post. I haven't worn hair extensions for the longest time, so this is going to be really interesting for me to see how I feel like with long hair. So these are clip-ins. I got a colour 4. And I've got a 22 inch, so I could be a little bit more versatile with them. So they come in a little hair net, keep the hair all nice. Let's just take that off. So this is the hair. The colour looks spot on actually. You can see there, it's nice and shiny, and it's nice and thick at the ends as well, which is always good. Okay, so size wise we have got 1 4 clip, 1 3 clip, oh another 3 clips, so 2 3 clips, 3 2 clips, 1 1 clip. Right, so I'm going to put them in and see how they fit. I haven't worn hair extensions literally the longest time, as I said. I don't know what it's going to feel like. So I'm just going to section the hair like that, take a small bit at the bottom, and I'm going to put one of these 3 ones. If your hair is quite fine, then you can backcomb the area to clip it in to keep them in more steady. So there's the first ones in. I'm going to have to zoom out, I think. Then I'm going to take a little bit more hair down, and I'm going to put the 4 in. I'm just going to repeat it until I'm getting all the way up. So I'm going to put the 2 2s in here to sort of mask this bit of short hair. So I'm just going to put this 3 in. And then because my hair is quite a lot shorter, you can see here it's these bits that need masking. So I'm just going to do some styling to sort of blend it into my hair now. What do you think? It feels so weird to have long hair. I know I keep saying it, but it feels so weird. So overall opinion time, I think. The hair is such good quality. It's lovely and smooth. It curls brilliantly. Sort of it styles really, really well. The colour is spot on. It's really natural. My hair's like a dark brown, so I went for a colour 4, but they've got loads of different colours on there. And like different styles, so like ombre and things like that. Next to my own hair, you can see it actually blends really well. So that's my own hair. So all pluses for that. That's absolutely great. The only thing I would say is if your hair is on the thicker side, I would maybe order 2 packs, and then you have more option as well to blend it with your own hair. But 1 pack is absolutely fine. But if your hair is sort of thin to sort of normal, I would say 1 pack's absolutely fine. But overall, really happy with them. Really like the colour. Really like the texture. They're a lovely quality hair extension. So let's just swap it out and see what it looks like before and after. You see that with the full hair now? So as I said before, I will pop the link underneath if you do want to try them out. And yeah, I'll see you soon for more videos.